forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss substitution table, some standard results and their proof. Here is the substitution table. Please see, in this table there are three columns. In first column function, in second column substitution and in third column y. Point number 1, 2x upon 1 plus x square. Here substitution is x. Why we substitute x equal to tan theta? Because when we put x equal to tan theta, then we get 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This is one of the identity of 11th class, which is equal to sin 2 theta. Point number 2, 2x upon 1 minus x square. Again substitution is x equal to tan theta. Why we substitute tan theta? Because 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta is equal to tan 2 theta. Point number 3, 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square and x equal to tan theta. We know that 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta equal to cos 2 theta. Point number 4, 2x square minus 1. Here substitution is x equal to cos theta. Why? Because 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to cos 2 theta. Point number 5, 1 minus 2x square, substitution is x equal to sin theta. Why? Because 1 minus 2 sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Point number 6, 2x root 1 minus x square. Substitution is x equal to sin theta. Why? Because 2 sin theta, or we know that 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta and square root of cos square theta cos theta. So we get 2 sin theta cos theta, which is equal to sin 2 theta. Point number 7, 3x minus 4x cube. Here substitution is x equal to sin theta, because 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta equal to sin 3 theta. Point number 8, 4x cube minus 3x. Here substitution is x equal to cos theta. Why? Because 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to cos 3 theta. Point number 9, 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. Here substitution is x equal to tan theta. Why? Because 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta equal to tan 3 theta. So this substitution based on standard formula. Now general substitution. Point number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 are called general substitution. In 10, 1 minus x square. We all know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So we can write sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So this substitution based on this. So first one, 1 minus x square. Substitution is x equal to sin theta, because 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. 11, a square minus x square. Here substitution is x equal to a sin theta. So when we put x equal to a sin theta, we get a square minus a square sin square theta. A square common, in bracket we get 1 minus sin square theta, which is equal to cos square theta. So we get a square cos square theta. Point number 12, 1 plus x square. Here substitution is x equal to tan theta, because we know that 1 plus tan square theta equal to cot square theta. Identity of 10th class. Point number 13, a square plus x square. Here substitution is x equal to a tan theta. A square common, so we get 1 plus tan square theta equal to cot square theta. Point number 14, x square minus 1. X equal to sec theta. So sec square theta minus 1, tan square theta. Now point number 15. Here so many square roots are there. In first square root, root 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, root 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, root 1 minus x upon 2, root 1 plus x upon 2. Here x equal to cos 2 theta. Why? Because 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to 2 sin square theta and 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. Point number 16. Everywhere root is there, or in root in place of x, x square is there everywhere. So this time substitution is x square equal to cos 2 theta. Why? Because 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to 2 sin square theta, and 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. Some standard results and their proof. These three are very special formula. You have to remember. Sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square equal to 2 tan inverse x. Cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square equal to 2 tan inverse x. Tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square equal to 2 tan inverse x. You can use as a formula as well as question. Number 1. Left hand side is equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Now substitution. 2x upon 1 plus x square. Just see substitution table. Let x equal to tan theta. Therefore, tan theta is invertible in its principal domain. So theta equal to tan inverse x. Give equation number 1. So sin inverse, in place of x write tan theta. So 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sin inverse. अब this is identity. 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Or we all know sin inverse sin theta. Sin inverse sin theta equal to theta. So sin inverse sin 2 theta equal to 2 theta. Now substitute value of theta. Theta equal to tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x is equal to right hand side. Similarly, we can prove cos inverse equal to this, tan inverse equal to this. Next, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Proof. Let tan inverse x equal to a and tan inverse y is equal to b. Implies x equal to tan a and y equal to tan b. Image of x equal to a, then pre-image of a equal to x. Since tan a plus b is equal to, everyone know identity of tan class? Tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. Next steps, tan a plus b equal to this, then a plus b equal to tan inverse tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. Now substitute all the values. In place of a, write tan inverse x. In place of b, write tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse. In place of tan, write x, tan dy upon 1 minus x into y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Similarly, tan inverse x tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. This is formula number 5. Remarks. While using previous two formulas, please take care. Both are look like same, but in this formula no pi or here pi plus. Similarly for in minus, without pi or pi. When we take pi or when we not take pi, please see. When we apply this formula, or if we get denominator is positive, then no need to write pi. Denominator is positive means 1 minus xy is greater than 0, implies 1 is greater than xy, means xy is less than 1. 1 is greater than xy means xy is less than 1. So no need to write pi. In second formula, when we apply or if we get denominator is negative, then always write pi plus. 1 minus xy is less than 0, means negative, means 1 is less than xy, or we can say xy is greater than 1. Then always write pi. Similarly for that, when we apply this formula, or if denominator is positive, then no need to write pi. 1 plus xy is greater than 0, means xy is greater than minus 1. In last one, if this quantity is negative, 1 plus xy is less than 0, then apply pi plus. 1 plus xy less than 0 means xy is less than minus 1. Next formula. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to sin inverse x root 1 minus y square plus y root 1 minus x square. Now proof of 6th one. Let sin inverse x is equal to a and sin inverse y is equal to b, implies x equal to sin a and y equal to sin b. Now apply identity. Since sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, implies a plus b is equal to sin inverse sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. We know value of a, b, sin a and sin b. We don't know value of cos b and cos a. So convert into sin. So write one more steps. A plus b is equal to sin inverse sin a as it is. In place of cos b, we can write 1 minus sin a square b plus in place of cos a, write 1 minus sin a square a into sin b. Now substitute all the values. In place of a we can write sin inverse x. In place of b write sin inverse y is equal to sin inverse sin a x into 1 minus sin a square b. Sin b means y, so 1 minus y square plus. First write value of sin b. Both are in product, so order is not important. Sin b is y, so y root 1 minus x square. Hence proved. Similarly, proof of others 7, 8 and 9. Some important remarks. Number 1. Whenever root x is square, then always write mod x. Remark number 2. Cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. Then always write tan pi by 4 plus theta. Now proof of this. NHS equal to cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. This is one of the question of 11th class. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta. Divide numerator by cos theta means divide each term by cos theta. So cos theta upon cos theta 1 and sin theta upon cos theta tan theta. Now divide denominator by cos theta. So cos upon cos 1 minus sin upon cos tan theta. Now convert into standard formula. So in place of 1 write tan pi by 4. We all know tan 45 degree is equal to 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta we can write 1 into tan theta, or in place of 1 we can write tan pi by 4. So this is identity tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. So tan A plus B. In same remark, if here minus sign is there and here plus sign, then we can write tan pi by 4 minus theta. If here minus sign, then here is minus sign and here plus, minus plus, minus plus and minus. Remark number 3. Square root 1 plus sin 2 theta is equal to cos theta, mod cos theta plus sin theta. Now proof of this. Root 1 plus sin 2 theta is equal to, in place of 1 we can write cos square theta plus sin square theta. Identity of 10th class. Or in place of sin 2 theta we can write 2 sin theta into cos theta. Next steps. Again this is identity cos theta plus sin theta whole square. Next steps. Remark number 1. Root x square equal to mod x. So root cos theta plus sin theta whole square. We can write mod cos theta plus sin theta. In same formula, if here minus sign is there, then here also minus sign, here also minus sign, here also minus sign, here also minus sign, or here also minus sign. Remark number 4. Before this remark, first see this figure. If we take any point on this circle whose x coordinate is cos theta and y coordinate is sin theta, or y, draw a unit circle, means OP equal to 1. Draw PM is perpendicular to x axis. So this is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, base upon hypotenuse means x upon 1 equal to cos theta. So x coordinate is cos theta. Similarly, y upon 1 equal to sin theta, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So value of y is sin theta. Now draw a line y equal to x. This line divides this circle into two parts. From here to here, value of sin theta is always greater than cos theta. And from here to here, value of cos theta is always greater than sin theta. So remark is, in the interval pi by 4, because y equal to x makes an angle 45 degree with x axis. So in the interval pi by 4 to this angle is 45, then this angle also 45. So total angle is 225, means 5 pi by 4. So at x equal to pi by 4 and in the interval pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4, sin theta is greater than cos theta. and in the interval, when we take anti-clockwise, then this angle is 45, then this angle is minus 135. Minus 135 means minus 3 pi by 4. So minus 3 pi by 4 to pi by 4. Cos theta is greater than sin theta. This is very important remark. This ends our theory part of inverse trigonometry. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to do various problems based on inverse trigonometry. Thank you.